Thanks for your interest in garage living. We've produced the following short video on our floor coating system to help you better understand our professional application process. Each morning, our crew arrives on site at approximately 8:30. After greeting the customer, reviewing the process, and answering any questions, our crews get right to work. As with any sort of coating surface, preparation is the most important step in the process. Garage Living has invested in state-of-the-art Workmaster diamond grinders and variable pulse vacuum systems to ensure that every floor we coat achieves an unbreakable mechanical bond to the substrate. Our trucks are also outfitted as mobile workshops with equipment and materials to tackle any on-site challenge. After unloading the equipment, the crew will evaluate the concrete density to select the right type of diamond blades to grind the floor. The crew will grind the entire floor surface, which profiles the substrate and opens the pores of the concrete. The edges are ground down using a dolly-mounted hand grinder. This ensures every square inch of the floor is properly prepared. The coating can be applied to vertical surface such as foundation walls, cinder block, wood baseboard, and steps. Before the grinding is complete, these vertical surfaces are ground and cleaned of any debris. Hairline cracks naturally occur in concrete pads. These cracks must be opened using a diamond cutting wheel and then filled with a polyurea joint filler mortar. Once applied, the filler cures in 10 to 15 minutes. As soon as the filler is cured, the excess can be ground off so that the floor is completely smooth and cracks invisible. In many cases, the concrete floor has imperfections, salt pits, or other minor damage. These spots are also filled and ground down for a perfectly smooth and consistent finish. Once the grinding is complete, the entire surface of the floor is vacuumed, removing any dust or debris. Garage Living uses Rhino polyaspartic coating, which is a two-component system. The crew will mix the two components, adding pigment to the base coat that matches with the customer's choice of pre-blended vinyl chips. The crew first rolls the base coat onto all vertical surfaces and heavily applies the vinyl chips for consistent 100% coverage. Excess material is vacuumed from the floor before the base coat is applied. The crew will then apply the base coat to the entire floor surface. One crew member will roll the coating onto the floor, and the other will be broadcasting the vinyl flakes. To achieve 100% coverage, 3 times the amount of material is broadcast in this process. Once the entire floor surface is coated and flaked, the coating requires 60 minutes to cure. As soon as the coating has completely cured, the crew begins to collect all of the excess flake material. This material is then reboxed and reused. The floor is then scraped with a flat metal edge tool to knock down any standing flakes and make the flaked base coat even and smooth. Once the entire floor is scraped, it is again blown and vacuumed to remove any debris. The floor is now ready for the clear top coat. Again, the crew will mix the two components of the material. For a thick, even finish, the top coat is applied with a squeegee and then back rolled to create an even and consistent finish. Once complete, the crew will clean the entire site and load up equipment and materials. The top coat requires 8 hours to cure for foot traffic and 24 hours for vehicles. Garage Living is proud to have employees that are hardworking, positive, and extremely friendly. Should you have any questions about this process at the time of installation, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks again for your interest in Garage Living. We look forward to working with you.